Hello and welcome. We will start with mathematics grade 5. And this is a page number 3 and the task vocabulary. Choose the best term from the box. We have a box and 5 questions, and there are 7 terms or expressions, and we must choose only 5. The number 500 plus 30 plus 4 is given in, and you must choose. So it's expanded form, of course. This is very important. So if you are not so familiar with this topic, please look a book from your grade 4. Okay? So the first answer is expanded form. The second task is the symbols. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 are, of course, digits. So the solution is digits. Be careful there. The solution is not numbers, okay? And a decimal number, something separates the ones and the tens places. It's of course decimal point, okay? The question number 4, something. Decimal numbers are numbers that refer to the same amount. If you hear same amount, it will be equivalent. So the solution is equivalent decimal numbers. We'll write it. And the last question is a number with 1 or more digits to the right of the decimal point is, what it will be? Which number it will be? It will be a decimal number. So check it if you have all answer right. And we will continue with the next task. So the next problem, place volume, and we must write the value of blue digits. So it means we have, I write just for you 6 solutions number 6, and if you have number 418, digit 8 is ones. The next 20,300, digit 3, it means hundreds. Next 108,543, digit 1, hundred thousands. After we have 512,570, digit 2, it's thousands. Task number 10, 891,563, the digit 10, it means 10,000. 11 task, 20,456, digit 4 is at the place of hundreds. The next, number 12, is a number 6,257. Blue digit is 2, and is a place of 200 hundreds. Okay, and the last is 92,560,782. Little bit complicated, but a little bit big, but at the play where is 8 blue is 8 tens. I hope it was clear for you, and please control it for yourself. The next task. So here we have reading and writing numbers. The task is to write the number in standard form. So 87,042, we have, as you can see, 87042. The task number is 15. 20,000 plus 3,000 plus 50 plus 6 is 23056. Okay. After 14, 3, 10, so it means 14,14.3. After task 17, 3020 plus 7 plus 0.2, and this is a 3027.2, 3027.2. Okay, so it was all. So the task number 18, we must write the decimals for the shaded part. So we have a big square which contains from 100 small pieces, and this is we can write that this 40 over 100. It means it's 4 over 10, and the result is 0.4. So the last we have one big square green with 100 pieces. It means 100 over 100, and now after we can put plus 70 square over 100, and together is 1 plus 0.7. It means 1.7. Okay, and task number 20, there are two square green, and you can see that you can write 1 plus 1, like two squares, plus 30 over 100, and this is a 2.3. So 2.3. Okay, we are finished. Last task, we will continue with the writing number in expanded form. This form is how we can, how I show you in task. It was first question from our quiz, and it was write number in expanded form, and this is what we needed now. 2412, we can write in expanded form as 2000 plus 400 plus 10 plus 2. Okay, you can see, we will go to task number 22. It's 387, and we can write it in expanded form as 300 plus 80 plus 7. And I write it slowly for you. Plus 80 plus 7. And task number 23, we have number 13,087, and this is 10,000 plus 3,000 plus 80 plus 7. 10,000 plus 3,000 plus 80 and plus 7. And we will continue with task number 24. And the problem 24 is we must write number 35,902 in expanded form, and it's 30,000 plus 5,000 plus 900 plus 2. Plus 2. Okay. And we will continue with problem number 25. And we must write the number in word form. So I will write it for you, but you can hear and you can write is 409. Another 5,102. 14,013 and 16,817. We are finished. So I hope it was clear for you, and it's easy, of course, and I hope you will like to learn mathematics every day. So we will see us every day. So until we will make all book finish. So see you next time, and bye.